Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are gonna talk about how to take care of Vanda orchids and how to make it bloom. If you like this video, please thumbs up and share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. We will talk about more flowers in the future. The orchid genus Vanda includes about 80 species, but these have given rise to a plethora of hybrids and subspecies. Vanda are monopodial orchids as they form a single stem with flowers emerging from between the leaves. Their flowers can be red, orange, yellow, blue, purple, pink, or white. This Vanda has a bright and deep, gorgeous purple color. We have had this orchid for 3 years. However, it never bloomed in the first 2 years. This year, we are so excited to see the beautiful flowers. So, what have we done to make it bloom? At the beginning, this Vanda was grown in a vase with roots hanging in stagnant air and pressing up against the glass. This had caused significant root dieback and stressed the plant. The plant was sitting in our dining room during the summer, and such low light is not sufficient for Vanda cultivation. So all this has led to a lack of blooms. This year we did some change. We transferred this plant to a wooden basket. We put some coconut fiber at the bottom to prevent root rot. We also added some moss above the roots to keep the air moist. I will skip all the details here, and if you are interested in how to repot Vanda orchids or any other orchids which grow in the air, please watch our previous videos. I will also share the link at the top right corner of this video. So after we had mounted the orchid in a basket, its roots started to grow, and it's really happy, and now it has been blooming for over a month. Vanda require high humidity and good airflow. They prefer humidity above 60% with 80% being ideal. In summer, we can just put Vanda outside because humidity is really high here in summer. For example, after raining, the humidity could be around 80%. In winter, however, it's very dry here, so we use a humidifier to keep the room humidity above 60%. Vanda need bright indirect sunlight. In summer, we cannot expose Vanda to direct sun during the day, as that can burn their leaves. So instead, we hang them under a Japanese maple tree. The sunlight filtered by maple leaves is good for Vanda orchids. In summer, if we have some weak morning or evening sun, that's also fine. But please remember, no direct sunlight around noon. In winter, since the sunlight is much weaker, we hang our Vanda near the window. A good way to judge if there is too much sunlight for your Vanda is to check their leaves. If the leaves burn, you need to reduce the direct sunlight. And this burning can lead to unsightly dead brown and black tissue. Vanda require a lot of water. In hot climates, this involves spraying the roots twice daily. Once temperatures cool down, this should be done once daily. They should always be watered with distilled water or rainwater, as a build-up of hard minerals from the faucet water will kill the roots and severely impact the health of the plant. In summer, we use rainwater or the water from the dehumidifier. In winter, we collect snow and melt it inside until the water temperature reaches parity with the growing environment, and use that to water orchids. Vanda prefer high temperatures. Prolonged exposure to any temperature in the 50s or lower will lead to damage or delays to blooming. It's better to keep your Vanda above 65 Fahrenheit or 18 Celsius. About fertilizer, we can get orchid fertilizer from the nursery or buy it online. You just need to follow the instructions to fertilize your orchid. We fertilize our Vanda once a week during the growing season with a balanced fertilizer. Alright, I think this is a video and I hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave it below. And thank you for watching.